Hey everyone, today I'm here to teach you a little bit about Brainfuse. This is a free feature on the Brentwood Public Library website that you can access with your Brentwood Public Library library card. That's all you need to access it. So the first thing that you would need to do is go to the Brentwood site. So it would be brentwoodnylibrary.org to begin. So once you've typed that in, you'll see our main page. And if you go over to where it says departments, choose teen. Once you click on that, scroll down just a bit. And on the side, you will see where it says homework help. Click on there. And then it'll show you some other options. So I really wanted to focus and show you the online tutoring feature. So if you choose that, it's going to then ask you for that barcode number on the back of your library card. So I'm going to just type one in so we can take a look. And then you'll see here the Brainfuse main page. Over here on the left, it says live tutoring. If you click on that, it will show you this screen and then ask for your grade level. And also then the subject that you would like some help in. So just as an example, I'm going to choose grade 9. And I'm going to say science. I'm not going to click the Get Live Help link right this second because then they are going to think that I really need help, but that is what you would choose from home to begin working with a live tutor. So there'll be a live tutor with you. You can ask them any questions you may have on your whether it's your homework or practice test. You can ask them those questions and you can respond back and forth to each other. It's a great feature. It's very, very helpful, and we really hope that you use it in the future. So that is, again, one of the most popular features of Brainfuse, but I just want to touch on a couple of other things that are available. This one, the Writing Lab, is very, very helpful. So maybe you have a paper coming up in your English class, or, well, really any class, you might have a paper. This allows you to attach your document. So you can put that paper, maybe you're having a little trouble with the wording, or you want to make sure that the sentence structure is correct. You can upload the file here. You can add some comments, like maybe specific things you want to ask, and then you could submit it, and then usually within one business day, someone will return the paper to you and they'll give you some useful tips. They'll make some comments and give you some advice on how to fix your paper and to make it maybe sound a little bit better. So, I think that's such an excellent thing to have, someone one-on-one to help you with your writing. If you go over here, just a couple of other things. There's a language lab. So you can choose French, Italian, Spanish, and you'll have a tutor in that language to help you. There's also this Flashbulb feature where you can make your own flashcards on a certain subject, or you can use pre-made flashcards. So let's go along with science, just as an example to show you. So you scroll through, there are many, many pre-made. So look, it just goes on and on and on. But say maybe we'll just choose this one at random, chemistry and cells. So you can see someone made it. So a nutrient, click on it, substance that the body uses to maintain health. So like I said, there's many useful ones that are already available, but then if you have maybe you have a test coming up on a certain subject, you can go right to create over here and make your own flashcards. So I had this as an example from earlier this is again not going with our science theme, but these are cards that I made up as an example, just as a multiplication. So you could go through and you can see you can make your cards yourself, and then down here there's other options. You can make it into a quiz, you can make it into a crossword or a matching game. So maybe you choose matching. Again, this is on a much lower level, but you can see you choose 5 times 4 and choose 20. You'll see a picture forming in the background. Kind of makes it a little more interesting, maybe to, for your studying. If you go back to the home page, some other things to look at. We're still in Flashbulb. Let's go back to this. So there's also under the study section, the LEAP learning platform. Here, great useful resources. There's practice ACT, college readiness, GED, all different exams for anything that you might be working towards. There is another feature to point out under the Collaborate section called Meet. This is great for right now when a lot of people are working from home more. You can make a group meeting. So say maybe at home you've been assigned for school maybe a group project, but it's really not like you're not able to meet with the people in person. You can put together a group of participants, set a time and date, and have a virtual meeting. And this is, like I said, all available just through Brainfuse. So like I said, there's so many things on here to use, and it's really something that you can access at any time. I don't know if I mentioned before, the live tutoring is available 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. every day. You'll see coming up, maybe if there's a holiday, they'll be closed that day, but on the regular, it's available 7 days a week. So we hope this was helpful. We hope you'll use this feature in the future. And if you ever have any questions about it, you can always call us at the library and we'll be very happy to help you. Thanks for listening. Bye.